Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. I got something for you today. I want to show it to you. No, I'm not trying to be Mickey Mouse here. This was given to me to check out and tell you what I thought of it. This is got some fiberglass in it, thus the gloves, rubber, silicone, and steel spiral, I guess. But it is a very nice, very useful thing. You can't crush it. It'll twist all kinds of different ways without damage. Pops right back, and I'm putting this on my dryer. My dryer vent. I'm going to show you what it looked like, and the progression. Some pictures I'm going to show right up here. The progression of this project. You know how bad it is behind a washer and dryer machine. Well, mine was too, and it really needed change. But this stuff is so versatile. You can use it for anything. You can put it in your garage and use exhaust. Get the exhaust out of your garage. You can use it for any kind of air intake. They say it's rated from 95 below to 575 above Fahrenheit. So it's pretty versatile, and I'm real impressed with it. Hello. You can do silly stuff with it too. I like it. You get you some, okay? Look at these pictures up here, and you'll see what the old one was like and how the steps I went through to get this one in, and exactly how it ended up. I do need to get a new dryer vent for the outside because the one I had is not serviceable anymore. So this was a real timely gift they gave me, and I'm going to enjoy using it. It's going to be great for us. Okay, thanks. Bye now.